This is the Logitech G305. It's been around for a while, came out in 2018, but here we are in 2024. Is it still a solid pick? You can grab one of these for around $35 right now, and there's one thing that really impressed me in this mouse though. Let's check it out. The G305 features a slick minimalist design with 6 programmable buttons. It's lightweight, wireless, and comes with Logitech's Hero sensor, offering pinpoint accuracy and up to 12,000 dpi. It's connected using a 2.4 GHz dongle, giving you a fast and lag-free performance. Seriously, it feels just like a wired mouse. And honestly, I just love this white neutral color. It looks clean, bro. I have a medium size hand and the G305 fits perfectly. But if you have a larger hand, it might feel a bit small or uncomfortable. It really depends on your grip style, whether it's palm, claw or fingertip. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about picking one up. Here is something to note. The G305 isn't rechargeable. It uses a single AA battery, but that's not a huge deal because the battery life is insane, up to 250 hours. For me, the last time I changed the battery, it lasted 8 months. That's with regular daily use of gaming and coding. Of course, it may not be the same for everyone, depending on how much you use it and the type of battery you go with. And when the battery does run out, you don't have to wait for it to charge. Just pop in a new one and you're good to go. One great feature of the G305 is its onboard memory. You can customize your settings with Logitech's onboard memory manager, and the mouse will save them directly. This means you can plug it into any PC and have your settings ready without needing to reinstall the software. Super handy if you're switching devices or always on the go. Talking about the buttons, you get 6 in total, 2 primary clicks, a clickable scroll wheel, 2 side buttons, and a DPI button right in the middle. Each one has a really satisfying click, they're responsive, feel good quality, and this is what they sound like. What really surprised me the most was the precision. It's a fantastic choice for gamers who need a level of accuracy, but it's also a great choice for daily tasks like working, studying, or just browsing the web. The G305 might not be the newest mouse, but it's still a great option. Between the Hero sensor, long battery life, good design, the onboard memory, for me the battery in less than 8 months is insane. It is a pretty good mouse. It is portable, good precision, long life battery. What do you think? Does the G305 still make sense in 2024? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to give a like, and if you're into this type of content, please consider subscribing. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.